Look, he walks up. Looks like one goes off that way, and then one's coming this way.
Oh yeah, I see that one too. I see this one. And then he comes up here.
Then here's somewhere.
And it goes in to this.
These brush tracks here.
Oh.
Going this way.
Older, yeah, before the snow.
Nice birches, though. Wow.
Some good birch trees. Maybe we'll find some chaga. The size of these buck tracks. Huge. We now know where the bucks are roaming. We've come into what we call the deep woods of our property, just going for some rabbit or grouse. And I think we found where the bucks lie. Looks like great habitat for them. Well, deer season's over now, so that's for next year, but it's good to know. So hopefully we can get some grouse, or at least a snowshoe on this trip. Still nice just exploring the property. We haven't been this far yet. Still a few areas we haven't gone. It's just exciting.
There's a totally doable trail.
Yeah, this is, eh? It's probably going to be the future trail. We'll also make a video on that, show you how we make the trail coming through here. Oh, turkey tail. Mushrooms. Beautiful. Well, wish us luck. Hopefully we get something. If not, it's just nice exploring the homestead. Found a spot here that just opened up from the dark woods there. It's really cool. A lot of birches. We're finding a lot of maples. It's a nice surprise. Yeah. Really, eh? A lot of big birches and maples. It's good for maple tapping season. Although we'll have to put a trail through here before we do that. It's mind-blowing how beautiful this place is. Holy! Look at all these tracks. Yeah, it just snowed here yesterday, so all these tracks are literally from the last 24 hours. Crazy! We didn't even find this area during deer hunting season. We're gonna have to come here next year. This is like... Pardon? Look at this grove. I'm gonna pan it. This thing is massive. Crazy. Sorry guys, kind of hard to get the film out, but Paul just shot at a grouse.
Yeah, I saw him go down. He's just over here.
Yeah.
We were down the valley here, and I saw it walking on a log. Took a shot at it. It flew up over the trees here, and I saw it just start to crumple in the air and drop down.
Look at that guy, eh? Oh, that's a fatty.
Beauty, eh?
Yeah, that's a female, isn't it?
I can't tell why they have 2 spots on their feathers or something. Or it's a solid line, there's no break in it, so it might be a male. I'm not sure.
Pretty. That's beautiful. I love their fans.
Gorgeous, eh?
Just little, like little forest chickens.
Look, got him right in the head.
So beautiful. Look at the patterning on this guy. It's a rough grouse. And it's gonna be dinner tonight.
Yeah, that tail.
We're just hunting on the homestead. Figured come out, test our luck, explore some more, and Paul got a shot off at a grouse.
Yeah,
Nice.
while exploring the property.
Yeah. Good shot, babe.
Right on. Great.
Right here. Found my chaga. It's just a little guy, but at least I know there's some on the property. There might be some bigger pieces somewhere else. I love it. Just found it here on this birch tree. Birch is the tree that keeps on giving. All this chaga here too. Look at that. Love that mushroom. One of my favorite medicinal mushrooms.